Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to check messages on AliExpress. So first of all, launch up an AliExpress application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here AliExpress application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to check your messages on AliExpress, it is actually very simple. In order to check the messages, actually what you have to do is simply tap on the bell icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to view all the messages along with the orders and promotions. If you want to view any specific message, you can simply tap on the message that you would like to view. Now after you do that, you'll be able to view that particular message. So like this, you'll be able to check the messages. So that is how you check messages on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.